Students, today we are going to see the multiplication of algebraic expression. Multiplication of algebraic expression. So, before going to do the multiplication, we should follow the steps given below. So, what are the steps mean? So, first step is multiply the signs of the terms. Multiply the signs of the terms. So, what is called a sign means? So, plus, minus are called a sign. So, like sign means, so plus into plus, two of them are positive or two of them are negative. Two of them are positive or two of them are negative. So, plus into plus or minus into minus, the answer is positive. That means plus symbol will come. So, next one, unlike sign. So, what is called unlike sign? One is plus and another one is minus. Or one is minus and another one is plus. So, for unlike sign, answer is negative. For unlike sign, answer is negative. This is the first step we do in the multiplication of algebra. So, first one, like sign means answer come in positive. For unlike sign, answer come in negative. So, second step is multiply the coefficients of the terms. So, coefficient, do you remember the word coefficient? Yes. So, 3 into x. So, next one into 4 into y. 4 into y. What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? Yes, coefficient means variable before the number is called the coefficient. Variable before the number is called the coefficient. So, how many terms we are going to multiply? Two terms. First term is 3x, second term is 4y. So, what is the first step? First multiply the like terms. First multiply the signs. Sorry, first multiply the sign. Here nothing is given means it is understood for plus. So, plus into plus. Plus into plus. Plus. Plus into plus. Plus. So, next step multiply the coefficient of the term. So, here this is called the coefficient. Here this is called the coefficient. So, 3 into 4. What is the answer of 3 into 4? Yes, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So, next one, multiply the variable. What is the third step? Multiply the variable. Here, what is the variable? Do you know what is called variable? Yes, variable is alphabetical letters. Variables are alphabetical letters. So, first step we multiply the sign. So, next step we multiply the coefficient. So, coefficient is nothing but constant. Variable before the number is called the coefficient. So, I multiply 3 into 4. So, next step is multiply the variable. Here what is the variable? Here x is the variable. Here y is the variable. So, next one we have to multiply x and y. So, x into y. What is the answer of x into y means xy. So, what is the answer? 3 4s are 12. So, 12 x into y, xy. So, nothing I put means here understood for plus. Here understood for plus. These are the basic steps of multiplication. So, exercise 3.1, multiply monomial by a monomial. So, what is called monomial? Yes, an algebraic expression consists of only one term is called a monomial. So, here listen, 6x comma 4. We have to multiply these two terms. 6x it is a monomial. So, 4 it also a monomial. We multiply this monomial by a monomial. So, multiplication, what is the symbol? Yes, into. So, here 6x, this x is called a variable. This x is called a multiplication. So, 6x into 4. 6x into 4. So what are the 3 steps? Before we are going to multiply the two numbers. Yes. So first we multiply the sign. So next we multiply the coefficient. So coefficient means number. So next we multiply the alphabetical letter. So first sign, next number, next variable. So here nothing is given means it is understood for plus. So plus into plus, plus into plus, plus. So for plus, it is not necessary to plus symbol. So next one, 6 into 4. So 6 into 4, what is the answer? 6 4s are, yes, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Here x is the variable. Here any variable come? No variable. So x. Here you have to put the symbol x. Listen students. So before going to multiply the two numbers, so first you see the sign. So next you have to multiply the numbers. So next you have to multiply the alphabetical letters. So here nothing is given. So plus into plus, plus. So I don't put the symbol plus. It is understood. So next one, 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Here variable come. Here variable not come. So x into nothing is here. So I put x. So next one, 4a comma minus 8b. 4a comma minus 8b. The sum not in your book. So listen. So solution. So this is a monomial 4a. Next this one also a monomial. We are going to multiply the monomial by a monomial. So 4a. Next one, remove the comma and put the symbol into. So next one, minus ab. So first step, you have to multiply the sign. Next you have to multiply the number. Next you have to multiply the alphabetical letter. Here nothing is given. So plus into. So here what is the sign? Minus. So plus into minus. So next one, see the number. Here 4, here 8. This minus I put here. So you have to multiply the numbers. So 4 into 8. 4 into 8. So next one, what are the variables? So here a, here b. So multiply a by b. So a into b. So plus into minus. Plus into minus. So unlike sign. Here plus, here minus. So unlike sign means answer come a negative. 4 8s are. Yes, what is the answer? 4 8s are 32. So I put 32. So a into b. What is the answer of a into b? AB. So answer is minus 32 AB. So next is a minus 6AB comma minus 9CD. So we are going to multiply this two monomial. So first one minus 6AB. So here you have to write minus 6AB. So multiplication you have to put the symbol into. So next one minus 9CD. Minus 9CD. So listen. So first you have to multiply the sign. What are the signs present here? So here minus, here minus. So minus into minus. What is the numbers? Numbers means coefficient, numerical coefficient. So 6 into 9. So what are the variable? Here two variable, a into b. So here also two variables, c into d. So next you have to multiply the variables. So ab into cd. ab into cd. So minus into minus. So this is like sign. So like sign means answer come by positive. So minus into minus plus 6 9s are. Can you say 6 9s are? Yes. 6 9s are 54. So next one AB into CD. AB into CD means A, B, C, D. So what is the answer? Plus minus into minus plus 6 into 9. 6 9s are 54. AB into CD, AB, CD is the answer. So next one, B cube into B square. B cube into B square. If the variable, so this is called a variable. B is called a variable. If the variable come with power, if the variable come with power, then apply laws of exponents. So 7th standard you studied laws of exponent. Shall I recall that? Yes. So x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. So what is the meaning of the formula means? In multiplication, if the base is same, we add the powers. We add the power. This is called the first law of exponent. So listen, x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. In multiplication, if the base is same, this is called base. So base upside is called a power. This is a base, this is a power. If the base is same, we add the power. We add the power. Listen. So B cube into B square. B cube into B square. Here what is the base? Yes, base is a B. What is the power? So first term power is 3, next term power is 2. So how we multiply the two terms means base is same. So base you have to put one time, add the power. So here 3, here 2. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, what is the answer? 5. So answer of B power 3 into B power 2 is equal to B power 5. See another one example. C power 9 into C power 10. C power 9 into C power 10. Here base is same. We add the power. So C power 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 means C power 19 is the answer. C power 19 is the answer. So in multiplication, if the base is same, we add the power.